Hey guys, I'm gonna make a wreath for my daughter out of these flowers. They were table arrangements at her baby shower because she likes sunflowers. I'm gonna get everything together and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna show you what I got. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all, but I have this floral ribbon that's the, well, I would forget the name of it, burlap looking. I got some of that. I think I'm going to use this to actually wrap the wreath form because it's a wire one. That way it's easier for the flowers to have something to hold on to. I also have this lace ribbon. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I got it out just in case. Have my glue gun, of course. Put that to the side. I got these in case I need to tie something on because they'll be hid. I don't know if I'm going to have to use them. I also have some natural raffia. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I've had it for a while. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I just got it out just in case. And I also have some Eileen's tacky glue just in case. So what we're working with is two different types of what were in the vases. We have some that are just regular sunflowers like these. Then we have these that have leaves and little sparklies in the middle, and the smaller ones. So we're gonna see how we're gonna incorporate those. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna use these and add some of the yellow ones or what. I don't know yet. And then all these leaves were in there. I don't know if I'm gonna incorporate those or not, but I have them just in case. So I should have already plugged up my glue gun. If you'll give me just a second, let me get up and excuse me if I shake the table. Alright. And I guess while we're waiting on that to heat up, set it over here. It's not in the way. There we go. I guess we can start taking some of these off of the, I just hope they're not those kind that if you take them off that come apart. Nope, they're not. Okay. So we're going to take off a few of these yellow ones because they're bigger. I may put them in the background of them. I like the green leaves, but I think I'm going to add more of the fall colors to it. So I'll probably use some of those little ones and these big ones that are on these other sets. I don't know yet. Like I said, that's just going to be something that, and y'all have to forgive me for being out of breath. I'm not feeling 100% up to par, but I'm getting there. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to do 8 of those. I may not use them all. I don't like that one. So I may actually have to cut this little stem off, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And I'll put all this other ones off to the side for right now so they're not in my way. Alright, we're going to put these over here out of the way. I'm going to see how we can detach everything from these other ones. See how well that's going to work out. Okay, these aren't coming apart, so that's good. Now these are kind of like the other ones I just plucked off, but they got more orange in them. So we're just going to take all these flowers off. So that looks like a little daisy. I'm not going to, we'll see. These all have little, I may have to cut them off. like I said, incorporate all the little extras and such. Do all this deconstructing while I'll try to edit this video where it's not so long. But if I can't, I apologize ahead of time. Like I said, we'll just have to wait and see. Let's take these off. I might use those. Maybe keep some of these bigger leaves. We'll see. I'll cut some of them off just to see. Because they're a little bigger than... I think I'm catching a cold. Ever since this weather changed, I've been all congested and snotty and stuff, so... I should have had all this ready, but like I said, I wanted to show you guys what I was using and what I had to work with and all that stuff. So I like these little sparkly ones. I think she's gonna like those in the... Let me get this out of the way. Sorry for shaking the... Just give me just a second. Okay. Said I'm gonna look at these real close once I get them off of here. Because I'd like to try to incorporate a few of everything, but you know how that goes. Sometimes less is more, so we'll just see how it goes. Like I said, I'm just more or less just flopping this over here under the camera so y'all can see what I got to work with and everything. As soon as that gun heats up, we'll get down to the nitty-gritty, so to speak. I'm going to try to make more videos. Like I said, things have been crazy and I haven't felt up to par, and trying to get back with the program, so to speak. I think I'm just going to stick with these other leaves that I had and these big ones that are coming off of here. I really don't want to put the green ones in there, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to cut all these big ones off though. Like I said, I may not even use all of what I'm taking off, but I want to have, you know, I want to have something to pick from and choose from and see how it looks. Like I said, probably see if we can incorporate these little plastic leaves. I'm not sure how I'd do that. We'll see. Take these. Oh. I guess this may be a long video. I mean, I don't really want to edit out everything, so we'll see. See how I feel when I go to editing it all. Alright. So this is what we have to work with. I already showed you all of these. We have some that are kind of like those, but they got more orange and more stuff in there. Set these over here to the side. Uh-oh, what I dropped? Okay. We have these plastic leaf things. I don't know if I'll use them. We'll see. Set them back over there. We have these that I definitely know I'm going to use all these. There's 5 of them. I'm going to put these on there. Let's see. I got so much stuff on this table. It's ridiculous. Have to keep my makeup and stuff in here because my cat likes to knock it off my dresser. So I just had to throw away a bunch of eyeshadows because she broke them. Excuse me. There's these 3 little daisy looking things. I might use those. I don't know yet. Then we have these small sunflowers, which I'm probably more than likely going to use those. I have these. Put them over here in the corner, and I have these. Like I said, they feel like they're little styrofoam balls, but they're on here, so we might use them. Alright, then I have all these red leaves, reddish orange leaves. So, first thing I'm going to do, hoping the glue gun is... The only thing I don't like about these, they're easy to fall off. So, let's hope that don't. I made a fall looking wreath, kind of like with some of this, not with this stuff, but some of the same colors. I'll insert a picture at the end of the video for it to show you the one I made before. First thing I'm going to do is take this burlap ribbon, and like I said, I'm going to start wrapping it. I'll probably, you know, glue it. At least just wrap it around it to give it something for everything to stick to. And let me check my glue gun. Let's see, I need something to test it on. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and get some extra glue sticks out because I know I'm going to need them because this thing uses little tiny, I mean, tiny, you can see that, glue sticks. So I'm going to get a few of those out. That way I'm not messing around with the bag, making all kinds of unpleasant noise with it. Alright, let's see how I'm going to do this. I know I want to hide this in the back, so let's see. And be careful when you're using a glue gun because this gets hot. But I really don't want to wait on the Eileen's tacky glue, so we're gonna just gonna kind of mash it up against that. I don't want to make too many strings. And like I said, we're just gonna kind of wrap it. Just like that. We're going to do it all the way around. And I'll be back as soon as I'm done. Alright, I'm back. And like I said, I spaced it out because, you know, they're not going to be all bunched up anyway. I got it wrapped around. I hot glued it down. I'm going to let that give it a minute to... And I may go back and stick some of the Eileen's tacky glue onto that just to, you know, make sure it's not gonna, you know. And I think I'm gonna let that be the top of my wreath. So we're gonna put it down like this. And now I just want to figure out how I'm gonna lay everything out. Like I said, I kind of want to, like I said, the little leaves I can add in later. I'm just going to kind of, I think there's plenty of these to kind of lay them out like that. Move these around like that a little bit. Alright, I'm going to get these glued down and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got my leaves on, which most of this is going to be hid in the background. I just wanted it to have some color. I did have to use some little different ones because I ran out of the big ones, but this is going to be neither here nor there. So now I want to see where exactly I can put the big ones. So we're going to kind of place them here and there because we don't really want to, like I said, I'm probably not going to use all of them because they're kind of big. So I'll probably just use these four. I'll get them glued down and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to show y'all what I got so far. Nowhere near done yet. Just showing you what I got done so far. Like I said, I'm trying to get all the flowers on first. And then we'll go from there. I'll be back to show you when I'm done with the other flowers. Alright guys, I'm back. I decided that less was more. So this is what it looks like. I will insert a picture of it as well as the one that I made last year. And I'll put them in at the end of the video. Thank you for watching.